तो वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग द ह्यूमन वैल्यूज क्वार्टर विद माई बर्थडे. आई टेल यू, बर्थडे टू सेलिब्रेट एट दिस एज मेरे को अभी भी कप कपी छूट रही है. इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. कहते हैं सिंस 4-5 years, when the 27th April is coming, I feel very weak. But when coming to school, since morning we are celebrating the Human Values Days with the Earth Day and my birthday, it gave me a great motivation. Great motivation when I see Amity is growing with all of you. Amity is big because each member of Amity is working hard for it. So I am very special thanks to all of you for doing this, to making a name as Amity brand. People know with Amity, Amity for international world में is a known word Amity. So I am very thankful to this. I am very thankful to Mr. R.R. Grover. उसको आइडिया कैसे आया ये to celebrate the Humans Value Day? कितने साल हो गए ग्रोवर जी? You started this program with your college 10 years back, just see. And he started this program, and our founder president, as you know, he's a very unique visionary. He made it very big and attached to my birthday. तो कहते हैं it's such a big pressure on me to have the Human Values Day. तो आपको अच्छा रहना ही पड़ता है. I tell you, it is not very easy to celebrate someone's birthday with the Human Values Day. I am very thankful to my Amity school. They have celebrated the Human Value Day. With the Earth, it is celebrated the Earth Day, and with the valedictory function with my birthday, the same as the university. So I am grateful. Thank you so much, R.R. Grover ji. I am thankful to your team, and especially Colonel Dargan. Where are you, Colonel Dargan? I am very thankful to you. You had the workshop with my children, the photo workshop he did with them, and my girls enjoyed like anything. They enjoyed, and I am thankful to all the students for any program. They have helped us, they have supported us. Amitasha, you have seen Amitasha girls, how they are growing, they are blooming like anything. They have the dream to do something in their life. They want to be doctors, they want to be engineers, they want to be astronauts, they want to be teachers, and they say, we want to be teachers, we want to help the poor people, poor children who don't have the facilities. Just see the support of this, the children can dream of this area. So I am very happy. And just I want to tell you a little bit of my experience that I always feel we should have. We are very lucky. Number one, we are very lucky that we are in the education field. We should, each one of you should feel blessed that we are into education. So we can make the society, we can make the child or break the child. This is in our hand. So my dear faculty members who are into education, we should think God has given us the best chance to show we can change India. We can change the world, as our founder president always says. The day he came here in 94, he dreamt all this. With Amity will change the world, will change India. And because of him, we have started the Human Values Day. As Groverji told, it will be the signature part of India to start the Human Values Day. We can be good academicians, we can be good engineers, we can be good doctors, anybody. But without the values, you are seeing the deterioration in the society. So with this, we can bring good citizen to India. और आपका जो एक मुझे हमेशा कहानी आपका याद आती है कि मैं सोची थी एक कहानी छोटी सी मैं आप लोगों को सुनाऊं. Be humble, not hard. There was a saint, a Chinese saint. वो लास्ट में बड़ा बीमार हो गया. Then he called his devotees कि भाई आप जरा आइए, जरा देखिए मेरे मुंह के अंदर कितने दांत हैं. तो he said, तो आपके डिवोटीज ने देखा तो कहते हैं कि गुरुजी आपके तो एक भी दांत नहीं है. तो कहते हैं आपको और क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? कहते हैं I can see the tongue. अच्छा, तो कहते हैं कि पहले तो जब आदमी बॉर्न होता है तो टंग होती है, टीथ होते ही नहीं है, तो क्यों ऐसा? देन ही टोल्ड, देखो आप जब है, कहते हैं आपके जो सफेद दांत होते हैं, पीपल आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ देयर वाइट टीथ, एंड द टंग इज सॉफ्ट हम्बल, तो वो तो हमेशा साथ रहती है. तो जो टीथ है, टीथ का जो प्राउड है, आदमी में जो प्राउड हो जाता है, ईगो हो जाता है, दैट वैनिशेस अवे. एंड इफ यू आर हम्बल, इफ यू आर काइंड, यू विल लिव अ लॉन्ग लाइफ। इसी के साथ मैं बहुत बहुत सबको थैंक्स देना चाहती हूँ। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सो मच।